Hi guys, in this video let's talk about wedding trends. As we move into 2024, weddings are changing in exciting ways. Instead of sticking to the usual traditions, it is time to get more creative and make your big day truly special. So, here's what's hot right now. Outdoor weddings. Banquet halls are out and beautiful outdoor locations are in. Gardens, forests and beaches are becoming popular choices. Imagine saying your vows under trees or dancing under the stars. It's magical. Do-it-yourself touches. It is time to add your own personal style to the wedding. Why not making some decorations yourself, choosing special readings and showing off your hobbies? It makes the day feel unique and really special. Small weddings. Big weddings aren't always better. Nowadays, many people choose to keep things small and intimate. If you want to celebrate only with your closest friends and family, making it a day to remember, then just go for it. Tech-savvy celebrations is the next trend of this year. So, technology is making weddings more fun and inclusive. You could use things like live streaming and interactive websites to involve guests who can't be there in person. Now, let's talk about trends in food. Here, sharing plates is the first trend. Forget formal dinners. Now, guests can try lots of different dishes while chatting and mingling. For this, you can also organize grazing tables. Buffets are getting a makeover, making it easy for guests to eat when they want. So, consider organizing a buffet or grazing table. What is really trending this year? You might ask, what is the difference between grazing table and a buffet? Grazing table prioritizes an abundant variety of small, colorful bites, while buffets may offer a variety of dishes as well, but are often more straightforward in presentations. Delicious desserts. Instead of a traditional cake, it is trendy to set up dessert tables with lots of tasty treats. So again, it is all about providing a variety of choices for your guests in 2024 when we talk about food. We all want to make our wedding day a perfect one, to enjoy it all day through and then remember for many years ahead. And for this, we have to be prepared on how to capture those memories. This year, natural photos are in trend. Many couples want their wedding photos to capture real moments, not just post shots. If you consider videography for your wedding, and I would highly recommend it, think about cool videos. For example, drones are being used to film weddings from the sky, giving a really unique perspective. Social media updates. It is quite trendy nowadays that people are sharing updates and photos on social media in real time. So, everyone can feel involved. Entertainment is a key element of any wedding celebration, and in 2024, couples are pulling out all the stops to ensure their guests have a memorable experience. Saying that, live music and bands are making a comeback because it adds a special energy and fun to the party. Additionally, it is popular nowadays to incorporate fun activities like photo booths, games to keep guests entertained and engaged, of course, throughout the event. Now, when it comes to invitations and cards, think about unique designs. Couples are getting creative with their invitations nowadays, adding special touches like drawings or watercolor paintings. Eco-friendly options become more and more popular as well. For example, some couples are choosing digital invitation, to be more environmentally friendly. Gift giving is another aspect of the weddings that get in a modern makeover. Instead of traditional favors, it is trendy to choose, for example, tasty treats, like personalized snacks that guests can enjoy during and after the celebration. In addition, you could choose to express your gratitude with special presents, such as luxury items like jewelry or spa treatments to say thank you. Of course, if your budget allows it. Last but not least, let's talk about wedding trends in styling. Pretty flowers in colorful bouquets and arrangements are stealing the show, adding a pop of color and beauty to the venue. From fruits displays to candles, couples are finding unique ways to decorate their venues and create a magical atmosphere for the guests to enjoy. In summary, weddings in 2024 are all about making the day special and personal. Whether it's a small gathering in a garden or a big party with live music, find new ways to celebrate your love in style. And I hope this video will help you in doing so.